Welcome to our channel. If you want to create ads that connect with your audience, you're in the right place. Today, we'll show you how to use audience insights to craft targeted campaigns that deliver results. Let's get started. Let's start with the Audience Insights tool. It offers key data about your audience, including demographics, behaviors, and preferences. You can discover details like age, location, and interests that matter to your audience. Engagement is a key metric to watch. Analyzing this helps you create more effective ads. Use these insights to create ads that target the people most likely to take action, whether it's buying your product, signing up, or following your brand. This approach saves time, cuts costs, and boosts your chances of hitting campaign goals. Let's see this in action. Say you're promoting eco-friendly water bottles. Insights show your audience is 25 to 40 years old and values sustainability. With this data, you can create an ad that speaks to their values with a call to action like, "Join the movement for a sustainable future, get yours today." That's how you use audience insights to create targeted ads. We hope this shows how powerful data is for improving your ad strategy. If you found this helpful, like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials.